So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine, then you want to expand system, then you want to expand current control set, then you want to expand control, and now you want to find graphics drivers. I want to make this a bit bigger. You want to scroll down till you find graphics drivers. Here it is. You want to click on this folder, and now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this TDR delay. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. Now you want to double click on TDR delay, and now in this box right here in the validator box, you want to make it the number 8. So if it says anything else, delete it, and then type in the number 8, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again, and type in device manager. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. Also, I would recommend getting the latest drivers from your graphics card manufacturer website. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you want to restart your computer, and then the phone should be fixed.